The BMW X6 rides well and has a trio of willing, strong engines. The 2018 BMW X6 is a classy performer thanks to its strong engine choices and its comfortable ride quality. We've scored it a 7 out of 10 for those who must have more. The X6M verges on the absurd. We are fine with that. Let's start with the base model, available either as the S-Drive 35i, rear-wheel drive, or X-Drive 35i, all-wheel drive. Under its hood lies a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-6 rated at 300 horsepower, which isn't too shabby. The X6 X-Drive 50i is only available with all-wheel drive, and its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 is a sweetheart of an engine with its 445 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, enough to fire off a 4.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint. A quick-shifting 8-speed automatic is the only transmission on offer. The 6-cylinder provides ample thrust for most users and is commendably smooth, but if you're going for an X6, the V8 seems to suit its mission in life especially well. After all, this isn't a luxurious family hauler as much as it is a statement vehicle. All models ride on the firm side, with body motions controlled especially well. BMW, once the master of telepathic steering, still hasn't figured out how to make today's electric steering setups engaging. However, the X6's thick-rimmed, leather-wrapped steering wheel is a pleasure to hold but not necessarily to operate, as there's little road feel for those who must have more. The X6M is the rocket ship of the group with its thundering 567 horsepower, 553 pounds FT version of the V8. There's more than just an engine here, though, as the X6M has its own air suspension setup and beefed-up sway bars. It handles as well as many low-riding sports cars, albeit again without a whole lot of steering feel. And like the X5, the X6 isn't offered in plug-in hybrid or diesel variants.